so nicely and has handled the COVID epidemic better than almost any place in the world, and is a very well-run country and very progressive, and building cities like Kaohsiung to welcome us here. And I want to especially thank Abel and Kathy for organizing such a wonderful meeting. Yeah.
And 10 years ago, in 2013, about a little earlier in the year, we were gathered together in Edinburgh. And those of you probably remember going to that meeting. And at that meeting, we signed an agreement for the International Societies of Investigative Dermatology. That we had our first meeting this year in 2023 in Tokyo. And I think that the collaborative spirit, the collegial nature, and the excellence of clinical work across the world of dermatology was really exhibited there. And I think it's on display here because our work is to help the clinicians improve their care of patients and understanding of skin disease. And I think nothing symbolizes that more than us gathering together for this meeting. And we're basically from all around the world with our common commitment and our commitment to education, to scientific discovery, to collaboration, and tonight we celebrate the last commitment, which is to collegiality. So I want to thank Abel and Kathy and your whole team for putting together an incredible program. I, for one, have learned a lot from listening to all the other speakers, and I know that people attending the meeting have also learned a lot. And I want to thank all the participants for coming, because part of the joy I have is seeing old friends and learning things and being able to talk around about science and just about life. So it's a wonderful time. Collaboration, collegiality, discovery. It can't get any better than this. Thank you.